The regular post is back, and Corona, what we once knew as a beer that later inspired a song, is now killing people. Like, it's a classic Nollywood plotline. Eh? It's gold. And we're only at level 3, but who cares? I mean, what does that even mean? Who's that one person that's still counting what level it is anymore at this time? I mean, level 3 is like watching Red Bull Extreme Sports with my brother. You know, and we don't know the rules. None of us knows what's going on. So sometimes he just goes, "Ah!" I'm like, I'm a king. That jump, it looked like a score. I don't know. I don't know. It's confusing. No one knows. I mean, the rules are confusing. I mean, listening to the rules that level 3 is like listening to my niece speak. Sometimes you just go, chat, you go, yeah. You go, alcohol. No. And then cigarettes. Yeah, I mean, everyone is confused. I'm confused. Women are confused. Shocked, appalled by men's audacity to approach during these times. Proposing them, telling them, hey, baby. While we're all wearing masks. They are concerned. Of course, women are asking, what is it that you see? Because we are all wearing masks. As if their makeup has been making things easier for us. Like, really. When for many of us, I mean, a mask is just another layer of makeup. It's like a weave or mascara. If women drawing eyebrows never really raised any red flags for us, a mask will never do that. Never. Yeah. Watching you take off a mask is like watching an onion taking off its peels. It's just another thing. Now, with the show having gone for a while, I mean, Black Lives Matter happening and Moria not happening, and this year, I mean, it has been a crazy year, you know. I thought maybe we should just start by looking back at what we have learned and missed during our absence. Like how we learned that, one, America is just a Moe fanfare. It's like watching CakeNet. It's nice without volume, you know, Playstyle and CakeNet. Just read the subtitles. Otherwise, yeah. But the big reveal for me was learning that Masioni don't have to go to Moria every Good Friday. They always made it sound like it's a must. Like, for years, they've always made it sound like it's the thing to go to Moria. Like, if you don't go, the world will come to an end, causing traffic the whole weekend just for tea and to jump. Jumping castle. It's cancelled this year. This year's cancelled. Legit again. Sharp. You know, that for me was like learning that Jesus didn't need to have followers. You know, what was their job anyway? To create ambience? Just to follow him? Cloud. Jesus needed cloud. You see, cloud, these are things I will never understand. But follow me, I follow you. Get cloud. You know, I'll follow anyone who likes this command, those type of things. Comment with a heart, I follow back, you follow me. Bullshit. Sounds almost like some Herbalife Triple M pyramid scheme type of thing, you know. Why are we following you? I mean, even Jesus had to do a miracle, you know, walk on water or something. People had to sign with ambitions, drive expensive cars, Bentleys, you know, be called short pan, date bonang, sign shit contracts with Reebok. You know, Pastor Lukau had to raise a dead man. Kanyimbao had to leave Mubango and go and date that other guy. Be white. Prove that she has what we can consider as a sound opinion. Just so she can have followers, for her followers. Don't start with me. Don't ask me. I mean, now I just have to talk about them. And when? We had about again. I mean, come on. Do something. Open a church. Sell oros. Be nice. Teach people how to open Zambak. Be racist, chauvinist, or any other ist. Do something, you know. Do something with your life. Make us want to follow you. Don't just come here and be lazy and say follow me for no good reason. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah. Thank you. Ring me.
Goat. I'm the goat. Man, I'm the goat. Everybody watch out. Man, I'm the goat. I'm the goat.